Oh man.
Alright, let's go.
Domination.
Oh, I know this map.
All Saber.
This one also gets
Oh,
Objective
crazy.
Charlie secure.
hold on, give me a sec.
The lead is out.
Um,
We're taking Bravo.
um, I made my shotgun sniper.
Bravo secure.
Ran inside.
Reloading.
Help.
Moving here.
We're just waiting to see who moves first.
Friendly counter UAV is on station. Enemy incoming.
Oh crap, that guy sniped me.
Enemy securing Charlie.
That could have been bad.
They're taking C, they're taking C.
We control two objectives.
Alright then, let him have C. We can have A.
Alpha. Objective Alpha secure.
Loading!
Enemy securing Bravo. Resupply activated.
Oh
Losing
freak!
Bravo.
Alright, I'm close range.
Friendly
Switch
UAV
to
on
sub.
station. Objective Bravo is compromised.
Subway
Get it back.
sandwich.
Subway.
Securing objective Charlie.
Capturing C.
Enemy securing Alpha. Secure Bravo. We control
Alright, got
Charlie.
C.
Objective Alpha is compromised. Get it back.
While I was
Objective
flash.
Bravo secure.
Someone's on top.
Changing mags.
Got him.
Friendly UAV online.
Activating EMP.
Damn, bro, you shotgun me, bro.
They're on the bottom.
Don't worry, Eric. I have answers to that. Oh, never mind. I did it too soon.
Enemies taking Bravo.
Whoops. Yep. I got distracted. I accidentally pressed the map button.
The enemy took
Bro! Oh my god, bro. I literally shot a guy with a shotgun.
Enemy fighter here!
Peekaboo. Oh, no one's in here. Okay. Oh, they're camping in B.
taking Bravo.
I know, I see it. Alright, if I die again, I gotta do some shit for my wife real quick.
Alright, let's do it right now. No rush.
There is a
The enemy
rush.
controls two
They're on
objectives.
B.
Get after him.
I'll go on A.
What?
Enemy down.
Bro, come on, bro.
Alright, you died.
That was a dead-on headshot, and it didn't kill him.
He had plot armor, you know. You know how that works.
Fucking enemy.
Enemy
And he's just gonna be
UAV
camping on
overhead.
B all his life.
Oh, well, they have UAV. Just flash him.
There we go.
Securing objective
Here,
Bravo.
close the door.
Enemy
That could have been
UAV
bad.
active.
Dang it.
Secure Bravo.
There's multiple people.
My shit, I was supposed to do something. Alright.
Yeah, you were. I was like, what do you do? Oh, behind us.
Ah, fuck you.
I heard people dying. think I saw-
Survival online.
I think I see someone going to C.
Enemy taking Charlie. We're taking Bravo.
Dropped them.
Bravo secure. Securing objective Alpha.
I'm hit.
Oh,
Assault marking enemy.
Enemy securing Bravo. We've lost Bravo.
DDoS active. Throwing grenade. myself up. Tossing a decoy.
The enemy has captured 2 objectives. Enemy securing Charlie.
Recon drone active.
We've lost half the field. Fight back.
Taking effective fire.
Eh.
Reloading.
Enemies taking.
What'd I miss?
We took A, but you were distracted.
Don't worry, I'm on A right now.
Target down.
Hostile SAE near your position. Objective
There you go, we got B.
secure.
I got killed.
Our UAV is orbiting the area. Recon battery depleted.
Someone's at.
We're losing Bravo.
Somebody's by the bar, bro. Like everybody's camping, bro. This is why I don't play Call of Duty.
Objective Bravo is compromised.
Everybody camps on multiplayer.
Well, want to play, ah, crap. I've Warzone in?
Only if Spun joined us.
Only we go still play DMZ.
Oh, well, yeah, we can.
It's similar. I mean, I don't think there's a difference, right?
No, it's just like it's like what's that one game that plays like DMZ?
Tarkov or whatever?
Yeah, there we go.
I never played Tarkov.
Control Bravo.
You never played Tarkov?
Nope.
Oh, there we go.
Took a round.
I'll have a UAV.
Be on station. Copy.
Alright, I'm holding this position.
Not online.
Holding this position.
Okay. Dang, why did I not even aim?
UAV is online. Friendly SAE launched.
I'm hit.
Nice.
We've secured 2 objectives.
Shh, they fell for my C4. Play another one. I don't have another one. Dang it.
Always close the door so they don't know where to come in.
Oh crap.
Ooh.
I need medical.
C4. Save me. Oh crap, grenade.
Fire.
We're losing Charlie.
So the shotgun sucks at long range.
Is that every shotgun though?
Yeah, but I tried making it to like a sniper shotgun.
Recon at this time.
Copy. UAV is on station. Recon online.
I'm putting my
So I
care
feel like-
package.
Drop zone marked. Send it.
Solid copy. Care package inbound.
Let's see what I get. Let me get guard dogs.
Stealth bomber is ready for deployment. We've taken the lead.
Nope.
Friendly UAV online.
How do you switch?
One
Here's a
more
stealth bomber.
CAS at this time.
Oh shit, bro.
Down for bombing run.
You know, I'm addicted to loot boxes, so care package in this game helps.
We're taking Alpha.
EBR's not.
Good hit.
Took a round.
Oh, somebody blew up the car, and that was me.
You're not supposed to blow
We're-
it up.
We're winning.
Objective Charlie is compromised.
Enemy
Get it
down.
back. Securing Charlie.
Come on, Charlie.
Changing mag.
Someone get A. Dude, I suck at shooting sometimes, and other times I'm great.
Bro, I'm okay right now. They're on B. They're going to B.
Enemies taking Bravo.
Don't let them flash and then go in.
I already shotgun him to death.
Oh, the Mexican music is from the building itself. Okay, that's where they're coming from.
What?
Enemy securing Bravo. We control 2 objectives.
Throwing grenade.
Bro.
Don't just rush outside. Oh
Nah,
crap!
it's-
Someone's coming downstairs from our side on C.
Tossing a decoy.
can't shoot faster than this guy.
We're losing Bravo. We've got him on the run. Keep it up.
I'm reloading.
Securing Alpha.
Reloading.
Ah, shit. Try-
Look around. I'm fading here. Save point.
We're gonna win. Shoot in the air.
Enemies taking Bravo.
Like you just don't care.
Mission
I'm
complete.
gonna use the restroom
Solid
real quick. I'll be
work.
right back.
Alright.